Hey guys, sorry I haven't done a video. I've been not feeling well the past week or so. I'm still getting over whatever I had in January, February, so I think I'm 95% done. It's just that with I have leukemia, so I get tired a lot. So today I just want to show you my progress on my laundry room. Now, I don't have a picture or a video of before, so I can't show you a before and after. But this is a room that I'm still working on, still whittling away. Like, I know I have some more stuff to do in this room, but I just wanted to show you my progress. Okay, so here's my little laundry room. And so there's my washer and dryer. These are actually new meaning like I think I got the washer maybe 6 months ago, and then I got the dryer 3 months ago or something like that. But these are speed queens. These are the ones you find in the laundromats that are there for like 25 years. So when I went to go buy one, I was like, I need the ones that last a long time. So I love the speed queens. So my husband built a couple shelves here. One tip I have is that to put a little bag or a little trash can or something near your dryer, so that when you clean your dryer, you can put the lint directly in here. Over here is kind of messy, but it's almost done. I have to clean the sink. It's not terrible. It's just, it's got stuff in there from when they were putting the dryer in. And then, so I have my hangers. These are the hangers that I'm going to get rid of. They're too small. And then I got to clean this. And then I got to clean this. So those are the items I have to clean now. This is only clean sheets that just came out of the dryer. I will fold them later on. I actually don't fold my sheets. Who does that? Okay, maybe you do, but I don't. I put them in the pillowcase and then put them in a linen closet. I'm one of the few people that actually iron clothes. So I iron my husband's clothes, certain ones, and I do it all on one day on Sunday evening. So I have a set time to do that. So that helps me. And my husband put a like a drying thing up for me, and I put my AC filters there for now. I might put those in the closet, but we'll see. This is something that I made. It's just a plastic bag holder. So I just, made it that way, and then I put some elastic, and then you put the bags in there, and then you just pull them out. So I thought that's kind of neat. This is my rack, my sorting rack. Now this will only work for people that have, I guess it could work for big families if you had a system or the space for it, but I don't have the space. But this is my little sorting rack. So somebody gave me the rack, and then the bins, I already had I bought them at the thrift store. The dollar store. Of course, it's not the dollar store now. But I sort my laundry, and then when I am ironing, that's when I grab stuff from the basket, and then I put it away right away. This stuff here it looks like a big pile of stuff, but it's tuxedos and nice stuff that I washed, that I'm going to be giving to a certain lady in my town that does prom dresses and things like that. So I just have to fold them or iron them and then give them to her. As I'm opening this closet is I don't know, it's my memory closet, I guess. I mean, it's supposed to be a linen, like a laundry room closet, but I don't have anything that's laundry related that needs to go in there because I'm all caught up with my laundry right now. So this is all, like I said, memory stuff. Like I have names. I have 4 kids. They're all adults, and I've gotten rid of a whole bunch of, random trash stuff that I thought I was going to keep. But this is all stuff that I'm going to keep right now. Um, it's not too bad. I do need to sweep it, of course, and I might go through it again. But I think this is pretty good because before it was just stuffed with random stuff. But anyway, one tip I have, if you can do it, is to buy a broom. I mean, a cheap broom, like even from the dollar store, and put it in. I'm not saying put a broom in every room, but put a broom. Like I only have one broom right now, but I'm gonna buy another broom to put in the laundry room, and that'll be the laundry room broom, I guess. Because if I have to sweep this, I have to go all the way downstairs, which I know it's not so far away, but when you want to go sweep, sometimes you get sidetracked. It happens with ADHD. It might happen with people that don't have ADHD. They're like, I'm not going to go get a broom. And then you end up not doing it, and then you have dust bunnies. So, anyway. So, I just wanted to show you my little laundry room that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to go through those cleaners because I don't really use the carpet stuff, the carpet powder. I don't use that. And then this is spray and wash, and then some other stuff. But anyway, and yeah, so I'm gonna go through that. I'm going to clean the windowsill, and I'm gonna clean the sink, and then I'm gonna sweep. So hopefully either the next video or a video in the future, I will show you my progress. But I just wanted to show you what I'm working on this week. Thank you for watching.